All right, welcome in everyone. It's Michael Tharp, EDU. It starts with you. Today I'm going to share with you guys what I take every day that has helped me get in the best shape of my life. So we're going to keep this nice, short, and quick. So all I have in here is water with ice. All right, first I'm going to start with my protein. And I will say the only complaint I have is that this mixer is a little bit too big to get into a water bottle. All right, so we got our protein down. All right, now we're gonna do our amino acids. So we're gonna do 1 scoop of that. And then I'm excited to add collagen because I've been wanting to take it for a while, but it's very expensive from most places. I think ours are $27 for a member. So we're gonna do 1 scoop of that. All right, and then you don't have to do this. I use Beyond Raw Lit gummy worm flavor. This makes it taste really good. I only use a half a scoop of this because it does have a fair amount of caffeine, so I just do a half a scoop of that. All right, so we got those 3. All right, and we're gonna put it in our water bottle. I usually make this before I go to the gym, and then I just drink it while I'm there, drink it on the way. Some people might say you should drink it before. I've heard arguments for both. All right, I think we're good. Delicious. All right, the other things I'm doing right now is I take my magnesium once a day and your D3K2. And of course, the main reason I joined Live Good was the 1,500 milligram CBD for I think 26 bucks. It's absolutely amazing. So glad I took that free 5-minute tour, joined Live Good. I'm in the best shape of my life. I'm saving money, I'm getting healthy, and I'm able to make a really good income by just sharing this opportunity with others. So if you guys want to know, just look down below and take that free tour. You will not regret it. All right, we'll talk to you guys soon. Peace.